Hi everyone, this is my recipe on how to make chunky meat, which my older son called it chunky meat because it's little chunks. He didn't know what to call it, but it's ground beef. I'm using this organic ground beef from Costco, the Kale brand. And I already have my pot here cooking, my pan. In there, I just put olive oil, extra virgin. That's what I use always. And I put my meat in there, kind of brown it a little bit. And then I added to it some curry powder. And I put chili powder. I put onion flakes, the dried onions. And also, I put some pepper, salt in it, and some what is this called? Let me make sure I am. And Mrs. Dash. I did put Mrs. Dash on there too. And the curry powder I use is this one. That's the curry powder I use. And also the chili powder. Because you can use any chili powder, but that's the one I'm using right there. Onion flakes I buy here from Costco. I buy these onion flakes. This dried onion, as you can see in there. So, and salt, the usual salt. I like to use Himalayan salt, pink Himalayan salt. I use this all the time. I like it. And I'm just gonna brown it. Brown it up, and now I'm about to put salsa. I like to put a jar of salsa. Okay, I put some salsa in here from this jar, this whole jar of salsa. This was like 2 pounds of ground beef, organic ground beef. And I put this in, right? And also I did microwave for 4 minutes. This is cauliflower. It's about a pound of cauliflower. I microwave. I get it from Costco. And also I've got some kale that's in the microwave right now for 6 minutes. I normally like to use the kale, the fresh one, but for my little one, it's a little bit not as tough, but they can see that there is, you know, the vegetables are a little bit bigger. Unless if you use the food processor, might be good. But I'm going to use this one that are in the bag that I can microwave it. It becomes a little bit more softer. And it's little pieces, so it's easier. They don't notice that as much. And I'll make another little quick video when this is done. I'm going to mix this, and I'll mix the kale, and I'll come back. So, my chunky meat has been cooking. I just thought you might want to know who's behind the camera. It's me, Future, your girl. I'm cooking today chunky meat. Come and join me. It's good food. Here we go. Like this. I put the cauliflower in the meat. Now I'm about to add this kale, chop the kale from Walmart. I did microwave it for 6 minutes. So I'm gonna add it in there, mix it up, let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and we'll look at it. Okay, my chunky meat has been cooking for about 20 minutes, maybe 25 minutes, simmering. And before right when I was waiting for it to be done, I quickly went in the shower, take a shower, and I cooked the rice, and the rice was also simmering. So this is the result we've got now. So as you can see, there's that meat right there. And I cook a pot of rice in there. So I am going to put a little bit. What I do, especially for the kids to like it, I put about a third of rice in the plate. So that way they can have a good amount of vegetables. This is about a third. And then put 2/3 of it. I'm going to put this meat in it. and I'll mix it up. Sometimes I'll put cheese so it's easier for him to eat it without having a lot. It's hard to do my hands. I'm trying to use one hand and filming with the other one, but I'm mixing it up. I mix it up real good, you know, so he doesn't even see much. As you can tell, there's cauliflower rice in there. There's cauliflower rice. Sometimes I will use the fresh cauliflower and grate it, but when I don't have time, I just use the Kale when one can cost the organic rice cauliflower. As you can see in there, that's the chunky mix. It's really good for the kids, and for us adults, it's really good. You know, it's easy to make, and what I do, I put, as you can see, there's a lot of it there. So I'll divide it like in 4 parts and put the other one leftovers in the freezer. Then whenever I need more food that I didn't cook something that they might like at the time, I just pull it out and they eat. And they're always eating something healthy, and it's really good. Like right there, like good spoonful. It's really good food. So you can tell, good food. Excellent. This is good. I like this stuff, and my whole family likes it. So anyway, enjoy. If you have any questions, comment below.